I just don't know if I use this, it is going to reflect back. So, oh my god. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me. My beautiful name is Jacinta. If it is your first time clicking here, this is the other side of a modest, and here we talk about lifestyle, haircare, and a little bit of motivation. Look at my hair. The shrinkage is real, guys. It is around 10 p.m. It is on a beautiful Sunday, and yeah, I went to church, and the lights at the front were flickering, and my eyes, please lift my eyes in prayer, because I'm affected by too much light. I did not carry these ones. I don't want to use glasses, honestly speaking. That is not my wish. I look beautiful without. So we're going to see what pops up with time as we try to adjust. But yeah. When you use this one, it is bouncing back and reflecting, and I don't want my video to look like that. So let's get started. For the new subscribers, welcome to the family. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe. For the new returning subscribers, welcome back. For the usual returning subscribers, thank you so much for the support. And yeah, guys, I'm seeing you watching me. I'll be pinning in here. Yeah, thank you so much for the support. And today's video is interesting. We're going to talk about children's hair. And as a child, I was privileged so much to be taken care of my hair by my mom. Yeah, may she rest in peace. I had the best childhood moments. My parents did not have a lot, but at least I had the best. Like, literally, my childhood moments were good. I'll do a story time on that. But today we're going to talk about hair. How do you take care of your child's hair? Mmekuwa mkiniuliza like, how have I ever had children's hair? I'm going to shoot this and my eyes are not going to be watery. Point number one in which you can take care of your child's hair is make sure you know your child's hair type, hair texture, porosity, and all that. I've always sung on this channel, know your hair type. 4A, 4B, 4C, and all that. Is it curly? Is it curly? Is it kinky? Whichever way. And make sure you know those things before, because they helps you understand which detangler you can use, which products can work for you. For low porosity, we use lighter oils. For high porosity, we use solid oils. You know, our hair usually shrinks, and when you can see mine now, the shrinkage is real. It is real. It is real, guys. Oh my goodness, the light is too much. The shrinkage is real. So, when taking care of your child's hair, make sure you all, because children are not like us. For us, we are going to take care of our hair. We don't want water to enter in or anything. So make sure you just oil your child's hair every day, just to be on the surface side, or you skip a day, then do it the next day. Point number two in which you can take care of your natural hair of your baby is make sure you cleanse it gently. Your child is just human like you. Any moment you comb your hair, when it is dry or when it is wet, the probability of feeling the pain is too high. So make sure you moisturize it frequently. Make sure you give her grace or him grace, because there are some people who plait their son's hair here. So just be gentle, just be kind, and have enough time. Please avoid taking your child to the salon. They go there and plait your child's hair. They wash, they do the condition, they do everything without you not being there. Do you know that there are shampoos for babies and shampoos for us adults? Because maybe some of you are incurring scalp condition of your babies because you're using the wrong shampoo or you're using the wrong detangler. So I just want to put you into the attention tonight that you just need to consider that is make sure you have a consistent routine. For example, when I was a child, every Fridays, my mother used to unplait my hair so that Saturday, she can wash my hair and take me to the salon. That was consistent. God bless her for me. Oh my goodness, Mama, you did well, restaurant. Like, she was consistent, and by that time, I remember she used to play to me those combos with 40 shillings. And remember, I used to have fare, like the bicycle used to take me from home to the point in which I used to play it. It was 20 shillings, so that means to and fro. Fare is 80 shillings, and then plus plating it's 40, around 120. Oh my goodness. So it is hard work. It is having a budget of its own. So for you to have a consistent routine engagement, you need to have a budget, because you need to detangle, you need to do some trimming for your baby hair, and you need to do just a lot. So buy products that are of high quality. That is another point in which you can take care of your child's hair. Make sure the products that you are using are not expired, because children are air sensitive. They're not like us. And you have a routine and arrangement that one I've seen, and be consistent. Make sure even if you don't want, just to do it, because we cannot say like children can stay with detangled hair for more than a week. Let us just be realistic. It is close to impossible. So please buy yourself rubber bands, buy yourself all of your chores, and practice at home. Please practice at home, so that you can do at least your child's hair, especially toddlers, those who are not yet gone to school. You can do this, mom. Moms are amazing. You can do this. Another point is stop comparing your child's hair with another person's hair. Natural hair for kids are different. There are children who are, when they are young, they don't have hair at all, but when they grow, when they get to age 6 towards upwards, their hair grows. My elder sister's child has got the best hair. Let me tell you, that child has got Dels has got the best hair. Like, her hair grows here. And the mother is so committed, like even she doesn't take care of her hair like she does for the baby. So it is sacrifice, it is just wanting the best for your child, and just being consistent, and it is, oh my goodness, investing a lot. And I'd say if your child's hair stage is different, please don't compare. Don't force your child with ribbons and all that, putting it on your child's hair. Your child is still young. Remember, so they are breathing from here. So when you start plaiting, your child may end up just even dying, because you're tightening the child's hair, and it's not even there. Most of them have hair here, and the other sides comes with time. So be gentle. I'd advise that if your child does not have hair, please, you can just make her grow with the afro until they reach even 2 years or 3. That is better. And it is beautiful if they stay with that kinky, because it is just a trademark of your own that you'll be having for your own baby. Isn't that amazing? I can't just wait to have my own daughter. Maybe the internet will not to breathe. I'm just kidding. And let me drop the lippy that I've just worn today. Most of you have asked me. I did a lip gloss that is Magic Touch. Like, it is just colors, but when you apply it, it turns pinkish. And then I added a chocolate shade for our lipstick, and then I coated it with lipstick oil that I was sent the other day from abroad. So I'll be pinning here everything so that you guys can understand it. This is how I'm looking like. It is almost 12 a.m. but my makeup is still intact, especially the lipstick. I've been eating and all that, but it is not. Like, I'll just have to remove it. Point in which you can take care of your child's hair is making sure you do protective styles, because also children in car, and they undergo hair breakage, they undergo alopecia, they undergo also all those hair conditions, especially the scalp. When they play around, sometimes they do away, they play with sun, glom, and everything, then dust, So make sure you're doing protective style that does not tighten the edges, because remember, this is young hair that we are just growing. Every body organ of a baby is still young, and it is growing. Please be kind to your child's hair. The next tip in which you can take care of your children's hair is just spray over your child's hair, because your hair is your glory. You know that one. So your child's hair is her glory. Pray against negative influences, especially those moms who have got kids with beautiful hair. So make sure you're praying for your child's hair. Make sure you speak good and I'll just encourage that you do your child's hair if you can, and if you give your child to be done her hair by anyone, make sure it is the person you trust or you are also there. Just in case, just to protect your child spiritually, because we are living in a dark world. Please guys, pray for your child's hair and also their overall health, what they eat and everything. Maintain a healthy diet, please. Give your children better nutrients, things like fatty acids, iron. Let them eat well because they are children. I think the best thing you can do for your child's future is just giving them a healthy diet for the sake of their hair, because after all, they're just growing, and so what they feed will determine how they're going to be in the future. So guys, this is our basic hair care tips for the babies or children, and I hope this video is going to help you. Thank you so much for watching. Please kindly like, comment, subscribe, share, and see you in the next one. And remember, find your purpose and chase it like nobody's business. If you are a Christian lady, kindly join Ladies Modesty. This is Global A. You can email the email that is B moving around the screen, or you can check the description box. And guys, thank you so much for the support. I absolutely am busy. I need to do my hair, I need to do all of this makeup, I need to shower, I need to prepare for tomorrow, so I've got just a lot. Thank you so much guys for watching me up to this end. So please, peace, God.